So once again I welcome in the next lecture that is related to the what is democracy and why democracy. So in the previous lecture we have discussed about the democracy and their important features. हमने इसकी democracy के बारे में पढ़ा और इसकी features के बारे में पढ़ा. If we compile that what is democracy, democracy है क्या and what is the things are mandatory for a democratic form of system, एक डेमोक्रेटिक फॉर्म ऑफ सिस्टम के लिए क्या क्या चीज़ें ज़रूरी हैं और क्या होनी चाहिए, ये बहुत ज़रूरी है किसी भी डेमोक्रेटिक फॉर्म ऑफ सिस्टम के लिए. इफ़ आई वुड लाइक टू एक्सप्लेन द समरी डेफिनेशन ऑफ डेमोक्रेसी, if there is a democracy in any country, there are few things which should be mandatory implement. If the things are mandatory implement or implemented हैं, then we can say that this is the pure democracy या pure democratic form of system in any particular country. If we talk about the democracy, the major decision, all the decisions are taken by the elected representative, and these decisions should be based on norms and procedure, and the well-being of the peoples should be in hide in all these decisions. As an elected representative, we always take decision in the welfare of the citizen. If a government do like this and take all the decision to think about the future and to just think about their well-being, we can say that it is a good sign of a democracy. There are so many countries which become the developed because they have take decision always to think about the future and for the welfare of their well-being. They not take their decision on and on. उन्होंने on and on अपने decision नहीं लिए. They have take the decision. This is very very important. As well as to take the decision, it is the true spirit कि people कब लेंगे सही decision? When we elect our representative freely. If the representative have the fear in their mind, if we will not do the work for the welfare of the well-being, we can be removed after the some time. कुछ समय बाद हमें हटाया जा सकता है. So it is very important to just कि decision always in favor of जनता, in favor to just think about the future. Free and fair election should be there. Free and fair elections अगर हैं, no threaten to the voter, voters are free to cast their vote, it is also important. If there is no pressure over the voter, it means there is a true democracy and the voter are free to cast their vote to anyone. It's up to the voters. The candidate, there are so many candidates in India. You can take the example of India. India is a multi-party system and the different candidate of the different political party try to convince their voters. It depend up to the voters कि वो किससे convince होता है. Whose policies he would like to most, then he cast their vote. So the major decision in favor of public should be free and fair election, and one very important thing is that the value of the vote is also should be equal. This is very very important. There are so many examples, there are so many countries where the value of the person are different. You take the example of Fiji, you take the example of Estonia, you take the example of there are many countries are there, Saudi Arabia, where the women don't have the right to vote. Right vote of the value must be equal and each vote have equal value. Either they are cast by the rich business tycoon or the cast by a poor hawker. The value of the vote should be equal. Respect of right. Being a elected government, we should respect the citizen. हमें अपने citizen की respect करनी चाहिए. Not like Robert Mugabe, he changed the constitution. He just amended the constitution many times and make himself less accountable. No. This is the responsibility of the leader of a country. He should be accountable. Government are accountable. फॉर एनी मिसहैप, किसी भी मिसहैप के लिए गवर्नमेंट अकाउंटेबल है। एंड द रूल ऑफ लॉ शुड बी देयर, कानून का शासन होना चाहिए। दिस इज द कंपाइलिंग डेफिनेशंस, compiling features of democracy in which the major decision should be taken by the leader, free and fair elections, rule of value of vote should be equal, respect of right and rule of law should be established in a particular nation. If there all these things, if the combo of all these things are there in any particular nation, we can say there is a actual democracy, there is a ट्रू डेमोक्रेसी, ये सही डेमोक्रेसी है और इस प्रकार के देश में रहने वाले नागरिकों को किसी भी प्रकार की परेशानी का सामना नहीं करना पड़ता है। सो दिस इज वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट, द क्वेश्चन कैन बी कम इन योर एग्जामिनेशन अबाउट द डेमोक्रेसी एंड द फीचर्स ऑफ डेमोक्रेसी, सो यू शुड बी वेरी केयरफुल अबाउट दिस टॉपिक। आई होप दैट यू गॉट अंडरस्टैंड, आपको कोई परेशानी नहीं हुई होगी। And if you have any problem, you can ask, you can just ask any point जहाँ पर आपको कोई प्रॉब्लम है। We are available 24/7.